Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So if you are seeing the error message say is art extract, it is not found any file specified on Windows 11. It's likely related to trying to extract file using the ISArcExtract tool and the tool not being able to locate or access the file you want to extract. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, you need to make sure that the file you are trying to extract exists at the location you are specifying and that it hasn't been moved, renamed, or deleted. So you can check for the file path and avoid long file paths. So Windows sometimes has trouble with files located in directories with long file paths. You can try moving the file to a shorter path like your desktop or documents folder. Second one, you need to make sure that the ISArcExtract is installed correctly. So if it's missing, it could cause the error. You can try to reinstall the ISArcExtract. So if you download it separately, you need to try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. And make sure you are downloading the latest versions of the apps from a trusted source. Next one, try running the extractor as administrator because sometimes permission issues can cause the extractor to fail. So running the program as an administrator may help. You can just right click on the ISArcExtract tool or the extractor you are using and select run as administrator. If you are prompted, allow it to make changes to your device. Next, you can also check the file format. So if the file type is incorrect, you can try renaming it or using an alternative extraction tool to support the format you are dealing with. Next, you can also use an alternative extraction tool. If the issue persists, you are unable to fix it, you can cause other tools to extract you can use other tools such as 7-zip or WinRAR and check if the file is corrupted. You may not be able to extract it properly with any tool. So if you are getting the file from the internet, you can try downloading it again. And sometimes antivirus software can block file extraction or access to certain files. So you need to temporarily disable antivirus software on your Windows 11 device. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.